Get ready to level up your travel game with our smartphone travel tips. In this video, we'll share must-have apps and features that every traveler needs. Let's begin. First, let's talk about getting your journey started and buying tickets, or covering your transportation needs in general. Our app of choice here is called Omio, 3-in-1 tool which allows you to find airplane, bus, and train tickets with ease. Just enter point A and B of your journey, look at what options Omio can come up with, and decide if you'll go by train, bus, or a plane. Next, let's touch on accommodation. Here, two apps should take good care of you: Booking.com and Airbnb. In essence, while Booking.com is geared towards traditional hotel bookings with a focus on convenience and reliability, Airbnb emphasizes experiential travel and staying in unique, often residential spaces for a more immersive and authentic journey. So, if you're looking for a hassle-free and regular accommodation experience, it is better to stick to Booking.com. On the other hand, if you want to get an experience or just something new and refreshing, Airbnb is a way to go. Next on the agenda is TripAdvisor, your best friend in finding good places to eat, interests in services, and overall attractions and things to do while you are on a trip. It always provides you with real user reviews of pretty much any service, attraction, thing to do you can think of. This emphasis on reviews and ratings makes TripAdvisor a trusted resource for discovering top attractions and hidden gems, making sure you remember your journey for the longest time. Now let's polish our journey toolbox with some quality of life improvements. First, Time Shifter, the app designed to help travelers overcome jet lag by providing personalized plans based on sleep patterns, flight details, and destination time zones. It aims to enhance the travel experience by improving sleep quality and promoting quicker acclimatization to different time zones. And second, XE Currency Converter, a popular tool for converting currencies accurately and quickly. It provides real-time exchange rates for over 180 currencies, making it useful for travelers, investors, and businesses dealing with international transactions. Never be scammed or taken advantage of again by a sketchy local cantor. So, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.